What is an industry? An industry is a group of companies that are related based on their primary business activities. Individual companies are generally classified into an industry based on their largest sources of revenue. In economics, industries are generally classified as primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Secondary industries are further classified as heavy and light industry. Industrial sector are classified into four types: primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, quaternary sector. Primary sector is further divided into two categories: genetic sector and extractive sector. Similarly, secondary sector is also classified into two categories: heavy or large scale industry and light or small scale industry. Primary sector. This sector of a nation's economy includes agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, curing, and extractions of minerals. It may be divided into two categories: genetic industry or extractive industry. Genetic industry deals with the production of raw materials that may be increased by human intervention in the production process. Extractive industry deals with the production of exhaustive materials that cannot be augmented through cultivation. Examples of primary sector. Genetic industry includes agriculture, forestry, fishing, and livestock management. Extractive industry includes mining of minerals ores, curing of stones, extraction of mineral fuels, etc. Secondary sector or industry. This sector is also called as manufacturing industry. It takes the raw materials supplied by primary industries and processes them into consumer goods. It further processes goods that other secondary industries have transformed into products. It builds capital goods used to manufacture consumer and non-consumer goods. It also includes energy producing industries as well as construction industry. Secondary sector is divided into two categories: heavy or large scale sector and light or small scale sector. Heavy or large scale sector. It requires heavy capital investment in plants and machinery and serves a large and diverse market. It has a complex industrial organization and generates large volume of output. Example of heavy industry are petroleum refining, steel and iron manufacturing, cement production, hydroelectric power generation, motor vehicle manufacturing. Light or a small scale industry. It requires a smaller capital investment in plants and equipment. It manufactures non-durable and non-standard products such as customized or craft work. Example of light or small scale industry are food processing company, plastic manufacture, textile work and clothing manufacture, electronics and computer hardware manufacture, etc. Tertiary sector or industry. It is a broad sector and also known as service sector. It includes industries that provide services or intangible gains or generate wealth. It deals with both private and government enterprises. Service sector includes banking, insurance, investment and real estate services, wholesale, retail and resale trade, professional consulting, legal and personal services, transportation, tourism, hotels, restaurant and entertainment, repair and maintenance services, and health and social welfare. Quaternary industry. It is an extension of tertiary sector. It is concerned with information-based or knowledge-oriented products and services. Like tertiary sector, it comprises a mixture of private and government endeavors. Quaternary sector includes information system and information technology, research and development, financial and strategic analysis, media and communication technologies and services, teaching and educational technologies and services. Introduction of some industrial sector. Engineering industry. As an engineering student, we use various engineering tools like theodolite, compass, planimeter, and other small or large machine. The industries which create engineering products are called engineering industries. They are devoted to the manufacture of engines, machine tools, and machinery. Process industry. The process industries are those industries where the primary production processes are either continuous or occur on a batch of materials that is indistinguishable. For example, a food processing company making sauce may make the sauce in a continuous, uninterrupted flow from receipt of ingredients through packaging. Examples of process industry are food processing company, beverages, pharmaceuticals, waste metals, and coal sector. Textile industry. It is a group of related industries which uses a variety of natural and or synthetic fibers to produce fabric. It is a significant contributor to many national economies, encompassing both small and large scale operations worldwide. The Indian textile industry contributes about 14% to industrial production, 4% to the Indian GDP, and 17% to countries' export earning. Chemical industry. The chemical industry comprises the companies that produce industrial chemicals. It converts raw materials like oil, natural gas, metal, and minerals into different products. Polymers and plastics, rubber, fertilizers are the products of this industry. Various professionals are involved in the chemical industry, including chemical engineers, chemists, and lab technicians. Agro-based industry. Industries that have agricultural produce as raw materials are known as agro-based industries. These are consumer-based industries. Cotton, jute, silk, woolen textiles, sugar and edible oil, etc. industry are the examples of agro industry. Thank you.